Hey, it's Chris from the Hagon Factory, episode 3. As you can see, this week we've got a bit better light. We've changed cameras. We're still new to all this, so we're doing our best to work it all out. It's actually hard work, so when you don't know what you're doing. So this week we've got the Veloset 500. We're going to do a bit of work on the clutch. It's slipping, it needs new springs, so we've got some new springs for that from Hitchcock's in the UK. We've got the Centre State swap meet, 31st annual swap meet, out at the Bendigo Racecourse. So we'll have a bit of footage of that, and there'll be a bit of other stuff going on around the workshop. Right, so what we've got is the Albion gearbox and clutch here. On the Albion gearbox, standard gearbox, only runs 3 springs. This has got 6. And I know it's got 2 different lots of springs in it, and they've never matched up. The only reason I know this clutch is slipping is I've taken it out on the road at the front of our house and up and down the bitumen, and you can feel it slip. So, but when I've run it out on the airstrip, myself and my father, up and down a grass airstrip, you can't feel it. But so I thought I'd just put some springs in it. Now, the Albion gearbox has got the Hagon conversion, so it's back to a 3-speed. I'm not sure what they call the conversion on the clutch here to a 6-spring, but I'm sure someone will tell me. I'll do a bit of research anyway. But so I got the springs from Hitchcock's. It took a little while, but they showed up, and I think it cost me about $30 Australian delivered. So pretty cheap, so let's put them in. Right, so we've replaced the clutch springs. We've had a mismatched set of springs in there that I've taken out. So it's definitely a heavier feel on the clutch lever, but that's good. So hopefully next weekend we'll put it on the rollers, give it a run, and we'll get a bit of footage of that, and we'll post that as well. Thanks. Right, today we're just going to do a load to the tip. But on the way, we're going to go and see mate Pete. Now, Pete's helped me out by drilling up a wheel. So I had a Campag front wheel out of a Hagon with a steel rim. So the steel rim was pretty rotten, but I managed to actually, the spokes didn't look too bad, so I managed to pull the spokes out. Just give them a quick clean, just put them through some vinegar and stuff like that. Just get a quick clean. Don't want to really make this thing nice and shiny because going in a bike that's not actually been restored, it's just a bike's been clean. Yeah, so I managed to lace up the hub to an alloy rim, and I've never actually trued up any wheels, so Pete's got the new jig with a dial gauge on each side. Yeah, it was a fairly expensive machine. I think he's done thousands of wheels. He's a push bike mechanic, and he does wheels. Motorbike wheels for the gigs, for the trotters, and he's actually just about to sort of slow down a bit. He's just sold his business, and he's going to just do a few motorcycle wheels on the side just for a bit of extra money when he retires. So I'll keep you updated when that happens if you're local in central Victoria. I think that's happening after March actually, but I'll just check with him today. When I get there, we'll get a few shots of the wheel. Yeah, right, so it's about 7 o'clock in the morning. We're just about to head out to the 31st annual Centre State swap meet. It's at the Bendigo Jockey Club, which is a fantastic venue, nice and green, well watered, very pretty place. So let's go and have a look. So we're back home after the Centre State swap meet. It was a good day, actually. It was really good. So we purchased a couple of things, a couple of pullers, valve facing machine, and yeah, nothing major, but some good quality stuff. So I understand that the footage might have been a bit different today and probably not down the Hagon Road, but it was a swap meet and we had a good look around and there wasn't anything there, but hopefully at the next swap meet we might find something. Look, I appreciate everyone for watching these videos. If you'd like to keep following us, just press the like button, subscribe, and we'll do our best to put up another video next week. Thank you.